Hello, this is Andrea from Time to Be Divine. I'm just coming to you for a quick moment. This is a before and after, I guess. I have a makeup class in a few, and we're supposed to be doing eyelashes. We did eyelashes last week. And so it's going to be a continuation on doing that. So a lot of people have been asking me, do I do skincare before I do makeup? And actually, I do. So I've already cleansed and moisturized my face. And so what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm going to go and put primer on. I like to use Always foundation. I'll show you that later on, but the Always foundation is really good. It's transfer resistant, and it also has a SPF of 15 already in there, so you don't really have to do both. I mean, if you want to, that's fine, but just know if you're using the Always foundation, it already has a SPF inside of it. That makes it so cool. It's exciting. So I just wanted to come to you to let you know this is what I look like. As you can see, I don't have my eyebrows on. I don't have anything done. And I'm going to tell you how it all goes. All right. See you later, everyone. Okay, so I just got finished with class, and what I could tell you is I really like the application of how I did the eyelashes. As you can see, I'm still blinking. I think I did a really good job. This is like the second time I've actually did putting on my own lashes. This is like the second time, like ever. And I love it. Again, really loving my makeup class. All right, so you all tell me what you think, because I like it. All right, y'all, bye. I'm getting ready to take some pictures. All right, see you later. Bye.